Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snipping Tool not working on Windows 11 in 2026. If Snipping Tool is not opening, not taking screenshots, or not responding, don't worry. This problem can usually be fixed in a few simple steps. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Snipping Tool in the list of installed apps. Click the three-dot menu next to Snipping Tool and choose Advanced Options. Now scroll down and click the Repair button. Windows will repair the app without deleting your screenshots or settings. Wait a few seconds for the process to finish. After the repair is complete, open Snipping Tool and check if it is working properly. If the problem is still not fixed, return to the same page and click the Reset button. Reset will restore Snipping Tool to its default settings and remove any corrupted app data. After the reset is complete, open Snipping Tool again and try taking a screenshot. If necessary, restart your computer and test the app one more time. In most cases, repairing or resetting the app will fix the issue. That's it. You have successfully fixed Snipping Tool not working on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.